Hello, I'm Jonathan with Ferocious Studios, and this is my nephew Noah. And one thing we like to do is we like to play Sabacc, and we have the Han Solo card game here. It says Star Wars on the card, so that if you're into costuming or anything like that, it kind of spoils the mood. So we're actually looking for something a little bit more that you could do costuming with. The betting chips here, they're kind of cool, but they're cardboard cutouts. Nothing like what was in the movie. This one is a DL-44 blaster. I don't know if you can see that, but pretty cool. And one of the chips is a Millennium Falcon and then a VCX 100. So fun stuff to bet with. But we were looking for something a little bit more like what would be in the movie, kind of prop quality stuff. So I found this place online. It's called the Solo Store, and it's an Etsy store. And this guy hand makes cards that look like prop replicas. This comes all the way from Australia, is where his store is. Looks like this was shipped out through China here. Okay, so DHL Express. Let's go ahead and cut this open. Alrighty, and then nice plain box here.
Careful, don't cut into
Yeah, try not to cut into anything inside there.
Looks like it's pretty tightly packed.
It's very well taped. It's not gonna get wet or anything like that.
The whole thing is.
Okay. Oh yeah. Good thing I was careful cutting into it. Wow, this is awesome. Check this out.
Oh man. Is that the case?
Sabacc case, yeah.
What?
Dude, this is sweet. We're gonna get into this. This is the cards, man.
It's a good place.
Dude, looks like the cards are shrink wrapped inside too.
No way.
Okay, so this is a leather case, man.
What?
Sweet with foil inlaid on there.
Are you kidding me? That is cool. That is really cool. We gotta see the cards.
Oh man, we get to see the cards. Okay, so in comparison, wow, right away you got a nice box for it.
Oh man, those cards are so much bigger than those.
Dude, these are.
Like,
Okay,
look at the size.
so they're shrink wrapped. So in comparison already, they're bigger. So hopefully we'll handle them better. They're still kind of weird shaped.
Oh, but that's what makes them cool.
That makes them, yeah, it makes them like a new. Dude, the printing on this is great.
Are they holographic or?
No, these aren't the holographic ones.
Okay.
So the backs look great.
Oh
Oh,
my
dude,
goodness, you got the zero. Right
dude, the texture.
Is
It's,
this?
it's almost like a vinyl texture, I think. But there's a silo.
Oh, okay.
So we got a silo up there. Man, this is.
Isn't that like equal to a zero?
Yeah, that's the zero. So yeah,
Holy cow.
if you can see here, we got. Oh, these cards are awesome.
And this is a deck of, what is it, 72 or 73 is the official deck.
I'm not sure what the deck is. I should know.
We counted, what was it? Well, you were working on a custom deck.
Custom
and
deck.
You had the entire card count. I think it was like 71 or 72 is how many cards are in like an official Sabacc deck. So this is probably how many is in there. Let me see one of these.
So we got the circles. We got
Oh, these are textured very nice.
squares. Man, these are great. So the face card's a little bit different because these are the 10s. These are the 9s, 8s, 7s. So those cards are different than these cards here for sure. Man, I just can't get over the texture of these cards.
Yeah, these cards actually have like the numbers, and you have red, which indicates negative or minus, down, whatever you want to say, and then green, which is up. In the rules for the Han Solo card game, as they call it, you're trying to play to 0. So whoever is closest to 0 or has, 0 at the end of their the 3 rounds wins the game. But some rules, the way I like to play.
Definitely have to practice shuffling.
Oh yeah? Here, I'm a pretty good shuffler. Let me try it.
Let's load these up.
But the way I like to play Sabacc is to the score of 23. So 23 is a Sabacc. The Idiot's Array is 0-2-3, and although we also
See how you can handle those.
we also man, these feel so like nice.
They're slippery.
They're thick too. They're well done.
Yeah, one of the
They are slippery.
one of the criticisms about the cars before is when you hold it up to the light, they could see through them. These you don't see through them.
Oh, you don't see through them.
They're not
They're
transparent
solid.
at all. They're great.
All right.
So if anybody was wondering about that,
Now I'm pretty good at shuffling cards, but these are like really slippery. So let's just see. My goodness. Well, those two bit the dust.
there you go. All right.
They shuffle pretty nice. Once you can get the feel for the slipperiness, like my goodness, these things will deal really nice. If I can get it off this table.
There we go.
But yeah, these things
All
are
right.
rock. I might have to get a set myself.
All right, they're pretty cool. So another thing, like I said before, these cardboard betting chips, they're kind of cool, but what I saw in the Solo store was some Medallion betting chips. This is pretty cool. And they come in these really cool cases,
No way.
display cases.
That is
See if we
awesome.
can pop this open. There we go. Oh yeah. Metal.
Oh my goodness.
That's legit. I don't know if that's cold steel poured or how they did that, but these are sweet chips. So that is, I'm not sure what credit number that would count for. Here's a Mando chip.
Oh, cool.
It's got the Mandalorian skull on that. That looks pretty cool. I don't remember what you call the Mandalorian creature that skull comes from. I was looking online, they actually have cast skulls
Oh man.
in the Solo store too. So anyway, there's a Mando chip. I'm not sure what betting chip that is. Oh, this one's got a little crystal in the middle of it. That's kind of cool. So, and they come in these come in this cool case here. Display case. So that's pretty sweet. And that's really, this is just like what you see in the movie. Also in here, check this out.
What is that? Is that for carrying your?
This is your spike dice.
Oh, what?
Check this out, man. Oh, dude, they are heavy.
What on earth?
Yeah, check that out.
Oh my
They're
goodness,
metal.
they are metal. These are metal dice.
That is so
Man,
awesome.
Look at, they got all the printing on there. That's actually like cut in there. That's not just like print. Those are engraved in. These are very well done. Let me give it a quick roll. Oh, dude, just
That's awesome.
Oh, and check it out.
Doubles, we got a shift.
We got a shift.
So that's awesome. Also in here, I guess this is for the coins. It's a pouch to keep your betting chips in.
Is that leather?
Yeah, that's leather, dude.
Like actual leather?
Yeah.
What? No way. It is. Oh my goodness.
So
Oh, man.
little pouch.
This all comes in this.
Well, there's a
one
couple
order.
different orders that I got here, but yeah,
This is
that's
great,
pretty
man.
legit.
This is
So
awesome.
thanks to Abe at the Solo store, man, great product. We love it.
Can't wait to try it.